Welcome back to Primetime News and a special welcome to viewers on onespotmedia.com. First up this evening, Police Commissioner Dr. Kevin Blake has issued a firm reminder to serving officers that they are strictly prohibited from engaging in any form of political activity. Citing the JCF Code of Conduct, Dr. Blake made it clear political neutrality is non-negotiable. The warning came in his latest Commissioner's Corner column. Shamila Pullen has details.
Police officers, whether on or off duty, are strictly forbidden from participating in any political activities. This prohibition covers attending political meetings, expressing political opinions in person or on social media, and involvement in campaign events. Police Commissioner Dr. Kevin Blake made it clear that such conduct threatens the public's trust and damages the reputation of the police. Although the leadership within the Jamaica Constabulary Force does not anticipate any violations of the rule, Dr. Blake issued a firm warning that any breaches will result in swift and decisive disciplinary action. He emphasized that it is essential for the public to have full confidence in the police, trusting that they will enforce the law without favoritism or political bias. The importance of maintaining political neutrality becomes even more critical as the country approaches a general election. Dr. Blake described elections as defining moments with very little margin for error. In this context, he urged all officers to uphold the high standards of professionalism, integrity, and strict adherence to the law. In addition to avoiding political involvement, officers were reminded to focus on their core duties, namely reducing crime, strengthening community relations, and protecting the principles of democracy. Dr. Blake highlighted that the JCF's true legacy will not only be measured by its success in fighting crime, but also by how consistently it earns and retains the trust and respect of the Jamaican people. Shamila Pullen, TVJ News.